I thank and praise God, who has given me wisdom and might, and has given me the desires of my heart. Mighty works are done by my hands. I am filled with the Spirit of God in wisdom, understanding, knowledge, and in all manner of workmanship. My wisdom and my prosperity and riches exceed what people have heard. The Lord prospers my way and makes my journey prosperous. I prosper wherever I go. I have wisdom and am well advised. Wisdom and knowledge is granted unto me, and the Lord gives me riches and wealth and honor. The Lord gives me speech and wisdom, which no man is able to gainsay or resist. God gives me knowledge and skill in all learning and wisdom. I understand visions and dreams, and in all matters of wisdom and understanding, I am 10 times better, and the wisdom of God makes my face to shine. The grace of God is upon me, and I continually grow strong in spirit and am filled with wisdom. I am filled with the knowledge of God's will in all wisdom and spiritual understanding. I have wisdom, and it is sweet and refreshing to my soul. I have great rewards, and my expectations are fulfilled. I increase in wisdom and stature and in favor with God and man. The Lord makes all I do prosper in my hand. I have wisdom and knowledge. They are the stability of my life and strength. The Lord gives me wisdom and a good inheritance. They are a defense unto me, and I profit. The Lord gives me wisdom and knowledge and great riches. The Lord has sent my prosperity now. I have good success. The God of heaven prospers me.